To set up custom ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will have to open the system settings. Right now, you have to open sound and the vibration settings, open ringtone, and select for which SIM card you want to set this custom ringtone. Next, click on the plus, and here you can find all of your sounds that you have downloaded on your phone. If you cannot find here anything but only the over the horizon, let me quickly show you how you can fix this. So first of all, you have to open My Files Manager from Samsung. Now click on the internal storage, and now you have to switch from Essentials into all of them. Now you have to find your downloaded sound. So for me, it's actually in the ringtones. I have to just hold it, and I'm gonna copy this file. Now we have to go for main internal storage. We have to open music folder. We have to go for a Samsung folder and click to copy this here. Now, when you go into your folders, for example, you can find everything that is selected. You can mark it. And if you want to start your ringtone to play from beginning, you will have to unselect this one. Don't play selected highlights and click done. And right now you will have to scroll over here, and when you got your sound, you have to select this, and now it will be set as your ringtone. As you can see, when I'm gonna go back to the main page of the ringtones, I can see my